Anyway, hey, y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. And if you don't know, girl, you're going to know today. Hey, tell mama and them I said, what up, doe? Anyway, check it out. We be going in doing some nails today, all right? But I'm going to go in. I'm going to be using this here Model 1 Solid Gel Cream Polish Kit. Girl, did I say that real fast? I did. Anyway, look, this is my first time using cream gel, so hopefully I can come up with a pretty design for y'all. Girl, it's a little vinyl record. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Some of y'all probably don't even know what a vinyl record is. If you don't, girl, Google it. Or either go ask mama and them. They'll tell you. Anyway, look. Check it out, girl. Look. This is just too cute. All right, Model 1s. All right, girl. So let's take that off and open her up. Yeah, so on the back, we have all the colors right there. All right. Let's open this puppy up. How you open her up? Come on, my baby. This is too cute. Hold on, y'all. Girl. Water droplets or bubbles upon unpacking are normal and won't affect usage. Okay, well, that's very informative. All right. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have here. It says tear here. Oh. Oh, my goodness. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, girl, they so pretty for the springtime. Let's see what we got here. Y'all, let's try and come up with a nail design. Look at Model 1s. They done showed out, girl. This is so cute. Then it also comes with this here little thingy here, which I am assuming this is the brush. Hold on, child. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, yeah, there you go. Here's the brush. It's a cute little thing. Got Model 1s on it. Okay, Model 1s. Okay, somebody understood the assignment around here. That's what I'm talking about. All right, girl, look. So this the brush. You gotta go in and use these little creams with. I'm not finna mess nothing up. We about to go ahead and do some nails. Let's do some spring nails, y'all, real fast. But these are so cute. Girl, if you want one of these, you already know. I'm gonna leave all that information down in that description bar below. All right, now go ahead and get something to eat on, something to drink on. Sit on down. Let's do this little video. These are so cute.